The journey of premium bacon begins not in a factory, but under the open sky. Here, quality.
Every hog destined to become premium bacon is rigorously monitored. Genetics, diet, and environment all play a What goes into the hog directly impacts the flavor of the finished bacon. Precise, nutritious feed formulas ensure
First simmer. These careful practices ensure that the foundational element, the pork belly, is perfectly primed.
Once optimal size and maturity are reached, advanced tracking systems ensure only the best animals are selected for the next step in the bacon journey.
Logistics are paramount. Minimizing stress during transport is critical to maintaining the quality of the meat, ensuring tender, flavorful bacon.
Every element of the process is engineered for efficiency and compassion, safeguarding the quality of the raw material. Modern climate-controlled transports begin the road trip, ensuring a stable environment for the valuable cargo. The journey commences. Hundreds of miles lie between the farm's tranquility and the hyper-efficient mega factory. Time is of the essence. The integrity of the meat must be preserved from farm to facility with zero delay. Skilled logistics professionals navigate the route, knowing the delicate nature of their cargo, the source of millions of slices of bacon.
From rural fields, the raw material enters the industrial heartland, nearing its destiny.
Ahead lies the mega factory, a sterile, climate-controlled environment where science meets tradition. The first phase of the journey concludes. The hogs arrive under maximum security and controlled temperatures. Biosecurity is non-negotiable. Only sterile environments can maintain the purity required for premium food production. The process is meticulously managed to ensure the highest standards of animal welfare are upheld right up to the point of processing. Immediate chilling ensures the quality of the meat is locked in, minimizing degradation before the belly is separated for curing. Automation takes over. High-precision machinery prepares the raw material for the crucial separation stage. Sterilization is continuous. Cleanliness is the foundation of food safety in bacon production. Advanced sensors guide the massive blades, ensuring maximized yield and consistency for the prized pork belly.
The star of the show, the pork belly, perfectly marbled and ready for its transformation from simple meat to complex, flavorful bacon.
Each belly is manually inspected. Only those meeting the strict criteria for marbling, thickness, and color proceed to the curing process. The moment of transformation is near. The bellies are prepared for the most crucial step, infusing them with flavor. The logistical phase complete. The raw pork belly is secured, inspected, and ready to enter the heart of the mega factory. Curing is the essence of bacon. High-tech injectors ensure the perfect distribution of salt, sugar, and natural flavorings deep into the pork belly's tissues. Precision curing means controlling moisture and salt levels to the gram. This scientific approach ensures consistent flavor profile across every batch of bacon.
To guarantee complete flavor absorption, the bellies are gently tumbled for hours. This mechanical massage maximizes tenderness and cure penetration.
Patience is key. The bellies must rest and stabilize. This critical downtime allows the chemical process of curing to reach completion.
Now, the defining characteristic of bacon is achieved: the smoke. This process transforms
The choice of wood dictates the final flavor. Modern factories utilize precise blends, often hickory or apple wood. The smoke is not just fire. It's filtered, controlled air vapor, gently coating the bellies to impart deep, complex notes. For hours, the bellies bathe in the aromatic smoke. This cooking and flavoring process is what sets bacon apart. Temperature and humidity are continuously monitored. Consistency in the smoking profile is vital for food safety and the final product texture.
The smoking process is complete. The result is beautiful, fully flavored smoked pork belly, almost bacon, but not yet sliced.
Rapid chilling is necessary to halt the cooking process and firm up the meat and fat for precise, high-speed slicing.
Consistency in shape ensures consistency in every slice. Hydraulic presses turn the organic shape into a factory-perfect rectangle. Even at this stage, human eyes verify the automated shaping, ensuring the bacon blocks are flawless for the high-speed machinery ahead. The moment of truth. The block is ready for slicing.
a process that happens so fast, human eyes cannot track it.
Hundreds of slices per minute. The blades operate at incredible speed, delivering uniform thickness, the key to perfect cooking consistency for the consumer.
A delicate, precise cascade. The slices retain their arrangement, making packaging easier and presenting a cohesive final product. No imperfections are allowed. Lasers ensure that every single slice of bacon meets the strict dimensional tolerances set by the factory.
The familiar shingled pattern is created by automated precision. Each stack is counted, weighed, and prepared for its final containment.
Weight verification is instantaneous. Any deviation triggers immediate rejection, guaranteeing the customer receives exactly what they paid for. Zero tolerance for error. Imperfect bacon is quickly removed for further analysis, ensuring only perfection continues down the line.
The final journey within the factory begins. Thousands of individual packages march towards their sealing destiny.
Vacuum sealing is paramount for freshness. Removing oxygen extends shelf life and maintains the beautiful pink color of the finished bacon.
A flawless, hermetic seal is essential. This protects the bacon from the outside world until it reaches your home.
Branding and tracing are immediate. Every package carries crucial information regarding its origin and freshness date.
The last line of defense. Automated X-ray scanners penetrate the packaging, ensuring absolute purity and safety. A final electronic sweep confirms that these packages of high-quality bacon are ready to leave the heart of the factory. The final stage of preparation, organizing the product for efficient, high-volume shipping. Each case is filled with speed and accuracy, preparing the bacon for its long journey to the consumer. Sealed and secured. The temperature-sensitive cargo is now protected for transit. The immense output of the factory is visible. Hundreds of thousands of pounds of bacon are ready for cold storage.
Palletizing is managed by heavy-duty robots, minimizing human intervention and maximizing stacking stability for global shipping.
The pallet is stabilized and waterproofed, preparing the thousands of slices of bacon inside for the rigors of road and sea.
The bacon enters the frozen heart of the facility. These warehouses maintain Arctic temperatures, preserving peak freshness.
This massive labyrinth holds the inventory that fuels breakfast tables worldwide. Every package of bacon is
When an order comes in, sophisticated robotics retrieve the product instantly, ensuring FIFO, first in, first out, stock rotation.
From thousands of pallets, specific orders are consolidated, preparing tailored shipments for grocery chains across continents.
The final leg of the distribution journey requires specialized, climate-controlled vehicles to maintain the cold chain integrity.
The thermal lock ensures that at no point does the bacon lose its deep freeze protection. A break in the cold chain is never an option.
With maximum efficiency, the trucks are loaded and the doors are sealed. The journey to the marketplace begins in earnest.
Every shipment is tracked in real time. Temperature alerts ensure any deviation is immediately addressed, protecting the cargo.
Across countries and continents, the dedicated logistics network ensures rapid delivery to distribution centers worldwide.
The final consolidation point. From here, smaller vans and trucks will take the bacon to individual stores and markets. After a journey spanning thousands of miles, the perfected bacon finally reaches its destination, ready for the consumer. The culmination of science, precision, and dedication. The perfect package, ready to deliver unparalleled flavor. From the sterile precision of the mega factory to the warmth of the home kitchen, the integrity of the product remains intact. That iconic sound, the moment the cure, smoke, and careful processing deliver their promise. Perfect, crispy bacon. The epic journey is complete, a testament to industrial scale and culinary craftsmanship, enjoyed by millions globally. Every bite tells the story of its meticulous origin, from the farm, through the smoker, and to the table.
Bacon, a simple food made extraordinary through precision engineering. A global staple, delivered fresh every single day.
The epic journey of bacon, finished to perfection.